Okay, f of x is tan x. That's relatively simple. The first derivative, relatively simple. Let's talk about the second derivative. And that's going to be 2 times the secant of x to the first power times the derivative of secant, which is secant x tan x. Let's just look at the k. 2 tangent x, I see that, secant squared. All right, let's do this third derivative. And let's put that down. So it's going to be 2 secant, I'm using the product rule, by the way, squared x times secant squared x, and then plus 2 tan x times the secant squared. Well, we just did that. So it's going to be 2 secant squared times tan x. Let's clean up a little bit. You can get 2 secant to the fourth plus 4 tan squared secant squared. All right, let's take a look, see if we did it. I got the first term and the second term. We're doing okay. So I'm going to say it's in stages. You're looking at this in stages and saying, did I get there? You got the derivatives done. That's not bad. What I got to do is evaluate now. And before I do that, I want to point out that 5 pi over 4, just to visualize it, it's over here with the reference of 45 degrees. So the tangent, because I need to know that, 5 pi over 4, is just 1. It's minus 1 over minus 1. And the secant of 5 pi over 4 is actually minus root 2. All right? So I think I can do these things one at a time. The tangent of 5 pi over 4 we said is 1. This one's going to be the square root of 2, the opposite square root of 2 squared, which is 2. And this one is going to be, let's see, 2 times tangent, which is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. And the secant squared is 2. So 4. Looks relatively reasonable. This last one, the third one, a little more difficult. It's going to be 2 times, well, it's going to be the fourth power now. So that's going to be 4 plus 4 times 1 times 2. And let's see if we got 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Things are working out pretty nice, by the way. All right, this is good to see things working out in our advantage. Of course, what I need to do is write down now T2 and T3. Let's write down T2, and then we'll look at the K. 1 plus 2 x minus 5 pi over 4. See if I'm doing that right. Yep. Plus, let's, first or second is 4. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. X minus 5 pi over 4 squared. T3. Just to save space, I'm going to write down T2. It's already written down, by the way. And next term is going to be what? It's going to be 16 divided by 3 factorial, which is 8/3. X minus 5 pi over 4 cubed. Let's take a look, see how we did. All right, kind of looking around. Do I see this? Whoops, sorry about that. I didn't mean to do that. Let's take a look. Yeah, I'm going to see this one over here. Yeah, I'm doing all right. Do I see the T3 down? Well, I'm going to see these first 3 terms again. I know that much. And did I get the last term? I sure did. 8/3 x minus 5 pi over 4, all things cubed. Looking great. Thank you.